Bonjour, this is Piper and welcome to Piper Unplugged, where I try all the plugs, but first subscribe. Now this is not about plugs, this is actually a gear review, and this is why I have this Amazon package. Because after traveling for over 3 months in my Tesla Model X, well, I've learned a few cool things, and one of them is gear. You need some special gear, especially since I don't sleep in my Tesla. As you can see, it's usually filled with these two, I guess, foldable trays and this box. My issue is I really don't like this box because when I set everything up, let me show you, with my little buggy, seriously, I love the buggy. I highly recommend you having a buggy. If you go in a motel or even hotels, sometimes they don't always have the carts available, so this saved my life a few times. Now, of course, you can't use it in the stairs. So I start by this. This is my cooking gear. It's all in this. No food though, so this is just cooking gear. This is usually the clothes and the toiletries. So soaps, stuff, bathing suits, things I need to wear more of. And in this box, I would usually put all of the dry foods. So snacks, dry foods, stuff like that. And look, it looks like this when it's stacked. Which some of you might say is not that bad, but it's not that equal either. And my fingers, they keep getting stuck and it hurts like hell. This is why I got this. It's okay, it's not fragile. It's another one like these, but I wanted to show it to you so that you know exactly how to use it, do it, undo it, and all of the above. Now, let's make sure that we don't kill any children under 2. Oh wow, I got so much stuff in there. What I'll do is I'll put the gear back up. Yes, usually it's more heavy. That's it. So far so good. And I can take this one. Depending. Sometimes my coffee machine lives here. It's the perfect spot. Or else I just squish this there so it doesn't move. Should have brought my scissors. Hey, this is an extra. Oh yeah, that's the cooler bag. So this one came with a little cooler bag. If you want to know all of the gear, that's not a bird, just so you know. Don't think we've discovered a new species. As I was saying, you can go to amazon.com/PiperUnplugged to get a full view of all of the gear that we use, as much for road tripping as for filming and anything else. Now let's open this. You got the Velcro. I know some people are from boxes and some people are from foldables. I really enjoy the foldables because when you take them, they kind of move around a little bit more. Okay, so you get this. You need to put it in here. This is gonna stabilize it a little bit, but you can always remove it if you need more space. Here we go. And as you have probably already guessed, well, this is gonna be for my food. So it's gonna replace this one. I'm gonna have even more space, and I can put it here instead of there, or as I was thinking, but I didn't set it up, there's a possibility for it to be able to fit in here, in the, what is it called?
Sub-trunk.
Sub-trunk, in the sub-trunk. But I need to do a little bit of cleaning in there because there's a lot of stuff. This is gonna be the setup. Soft boxes for everything, foldable, easy access. If you have some gear that you actually love to use for your car, pickup truck, whatever, EV, non-EV, I would appreciate it if you would drop it in the comment. I'm always looking to upgrade my setup, and well, people have good ideas sometimes for stuff like that. Okay, well, until then, make sure that you go in there, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's hit the road, Jack.